Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A3 is heating up while charging. It is pretty normal for your phone to heat up while charging, but if it is heating up excessively, there are a few steps you could take. First would be to try using a lower power charger. If that's not an option, you could try turning off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location and mobile data when you are charging to prevent them from consuming power and of course slowing down the charging and causing heat to build up. Another thing you could do is go into settings, go into device maintenance, then battery to check if maybe some apps aren't using power while you are charging and causing the heat to build up again. Also, you should try to avoid using your phone while you're charging, especially for using high power consumption apps, for example games or stuff like that. You should try using your original charger and cable that you got with your phone. If you still have a problem with heat, you could try removing the case to improve heat dissipation. As well as you should try charging your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Another thing that could be an option would be to try and not charge your phone above 80%, since that is commonly said to be also a way to prolong battery life, and most of the heat your phone will be wasting a lot of power charging up above that. Well, not a lot, but it will be going a bit slower too. Well, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.